Hey, it's Bjorn from WPLearningLab. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the WordPress theme editor inside the WordPress dashboard. Now, the theme editor is pretty cool. You can go in, you can tweak anything on your theme, actually, the core files of the theme. And it's cool and scary because you can do a lot of damage if you don't know what you're doing. If you do know what you're doing, it's a really quick and easy way to make changes that you need. So when you're in your WordPress dashboard, if you hover over Appearance and you look at the bottom of that menu, or near the bottom, you might have other items in there from plugins. But somewhere on this menu, you'll see an editor link. If you click on that link, it takes you to a page that looks like this. And it almost always, at least every time I've done it, it's preloading the style sheet of the theme. And this is where you can edit all the CSS of your theme. And on the right-hand side, it shows all the files that are associated with that theme. And if you click on any of these, they're going to load right into this editor, and you can start making changes to them. Quite often, if it's a well-done theme, there'll be some documentation at the top. I have not seen a lot of themes with documentation throughout the code. For example, here, there's documentation that it tells you what this function does. It tells you what this function does. It tells you what this function does. These are all comments in the PHP. And there's some more comments here. There aren't a lot of themes that do this. This is the WordPress 2017 theme. And clearly they've put some time and effort into it, and they've documented it for anybody who wants to come in here and make changes. But a lot of themes don't have those comments. If you do want to make changes in here, I recommend you do know a little bit of PHP, otherwise you're going to be lost, for sure. And the danger of the theme editor is there's no undo button. If you change something and click the update file button down here to update that file, you can't undo it. There is no undo. You have to either remember what you changed and then edit it out, or you could hit Command A or Control A, copy everything, put the copy into a notepad, make the changes that you want, see if it works out. If something breaks, you just copy the original back in, or you have to have the original theme files handy, and all those things are kind of a pain. The better way to do it is via FTP, because you can upload and download theme files, and if you use an HTML editor on your hard drive, then you can undo changes. So if something breaks, you can just undo the change you made and upload the version that doesn't break. That's really all there is to the theme editor. Every theme is going to have different files over here. You can actually add your own. You can't in the theme editor itself, but if you're in File Manager or in FTP, you can add your own files to the theme. Most often, you're going to find yourself in the functions.php file if you want to manually add more capability to your WordPress site, or you're going to be in the style sheet to edit the CSS, or you're going to be in the single.php, which is the template for posts. And what you can do in here, something that a lot of people do is very common, so I'm just going to show you quickly, is they either want to turn off the comments, which are here, put in these 2 forward slashes, it's going to comment out this section, and the comments aren't going to show up on your posts. Some people want it that way, some people don't. But at least if you comment something, it's really easy to come back in here and change it. So if all you did was add this and that broke your theme, you can just come back, delete this, save it, and it fixes your theme. So when you break something, it's not the end of the world. You can get it back. As long as you know what the correct way was, you can always get a working site back. You can choose different themes in the top right. This one is not active, but it's still on the website, so you can edit themes that aren't active. Really, that's all there is. I hope this video helps you. That was the WordPress theme editor. Please make sure you like this video, share on social media, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and check out WPLearningLab.com, where I publish more WordPress tutorials every single day. Talk to you soon.